One of the biggest changes to Windows 11 is that the Start menu is now positioned in the center. Here's how we can move it back to the more familiar position on the left. Right-click on an empty area on our taskbar, and that brings up our taskbar settings. And that takes us directly to our personalization screen for our taskbar. Let's hit the drop-down for our taskbar behaviors, and we'll change our taskbar alignment from center to left. And that's it, we're all done. Our Start menu is now back to the more familiar position on the left. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos.